Embossing adds texture and dimension to your projects. Each embossing technique offers a different, unique effect. Heat embossing is great for bold designs, while dry embossing adds intricate texture to your projects. So whether you're using heat or folders, I'll guide you through each embossing technique step by step. First up, let's take a look at heat embossing. This is a super easy way to add dimension and shine to your projects. To start, you're going to stamp your design using a slow drying ink like embossing ink or pigment ink. Then sprinkle the embossing powder over the stamped image, making sure that the powder sticks to the ink. We're going to tap off the excess powder to a scrap piece of paper and be sure to return all of this excess powder to the jar. Grab your heat tool and gently start to heat the powder until it melts and becomes glossy. Make sure to keep the tool moving, as once the powder has gone glossy, this means it's ready. And that's it, your glossy embossed design is complete. Dry embossing with folders is quick and easy to do. You can add raised patterns to your paper with just one pass through your machine. Now, we have two types of folders, 2D and 3D, and each offer a different outcome. Now, 2D embossing folders create a uniform, shallow design with less dimension, whilst 3D embossing folders offer deeper, multi-level embossing with more detail and texture. This results in a more dramatic, realistic effect. So let me show you how it works. All you have to do is place the cardstock into the folder, pop it into the right sandwich combination, and then you go into the machine. Well, you get instant results. Then all you have to do is pop that onto your card base with a sentiment for a super quick and easy card, which looks fantastic. Each embossing technique offers a unique effect. Heat embossing is great for bold designs, while dry embossing adds subtle texture, and it's super easy to get great results.